Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. You are doing best in your life. May Allah bless us, accept our prayers, and make our life easy. Today in this video, I want to share a zikr, a amal, which is permitted by Hazrat Muhammad Muhtasham Sahab Damat Barakatuh Alaliya. And he gave this zikr and he said, you have any issue, any problem, any kind of need, just do this. And you will see that within few days, that need will be fulfilled and issues will be solved, dua will be accepted. But you have to recite this zikr with focus and concentration, with belief, and then you will see miracles in your life. What you need to do with the new Islamic month, you have to recite it, started from the first Sunday. Now the Zilhaj month is going on and tomorrow is Sunday. So you can start from tomorrow. After Maghrib Salah of Sunday, just keep sitting there and recite Surah Fatiha 70 times. And recite Durud Pak in beginning and end seven times. And when you recite Surah Fatiha 70 times, then recite with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And when you are reciting, you must have focus and concentration and your purpose and need and desire in your mind. The next day will be Monday, and on Monday after Maghrib Salah, recite Surah Fatiha 60 times with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and recite 6 times Durud Pak in the beginning and in the end. And you must have your focus and concentration and purpose in your mind. And the second next day, means on Tuesday, you will recite Surah Fatiha 50 times with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and recite 5 times Durud Pak in beginning and end. And the next day of that, recite Surah Fatiha 40 times. Means that every day you have to decrease 10 times Surah Fatiha and 1 time Durud Pak. When you recite 40 times Surah Fatiha, recite 4 times Durud Pak in beginning and end. And then next day, recite 30 times Surah Fatiha with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and Durud Pak 3 times in beginning and end. And then next day, 20 times Surah Fatiha with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and 2 times Durud Sharif in beginning and end. And the last day, that will be Saturday of the week, you recite Surah Fatiha only 10 times with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and 1 time Durud Pak in beginning and end. So 1 week will be complete, and after completing of 1 week, inshallah Azawajal, you will get results, you will get your duas and wishes and needs will be fulfilled. If you want to get more results, more effective results of this amal, so try to send some hadiah, some gift, some amal of Mokkaleen of Surah Fatiha. That would be Jannat, that would be angels, or that would be any spiritual creature. So just after completing 1 week, the last day, that would be Saturday, after completing this zikr, just recite 3 times Durud Pak in beginning and end, and then in middle recite 3 times Surah Fatiha with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and 100 times Surah Ikhlas with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And these all things which you recited, just send sawab to that creature, that Ruhani creature of Surah Fatiha. Send sawab to them and then say to Allah that please give me effective results, give me more effects and more results of this surah, of this amal, of this zikr. So you will see that the barakah, blessings and results will be more effective after that. And you can complete this for a few weeks until your desire, your need will be fulfilled, your dua will be accepted. So this 1 week will be completed, then again start from Sunday with the same routine, with the same way, and keep doing this. Within few weeks, inshallah azawajal, your wishes, desires will be fulfilled. And this zikr is very powerful. Surah Fatiha is very powerful surah, effective surah of Quran Pak. It has many miracles and it has so much power that if anybody recites for any purpose with focus and concentration, with belief, so all the problems will be solved, issues will be solved, and duas will be accepted. And you will see miracles, barakah, blessings in your life. Impossible will become possible for you just because of this surah. This is very tested and effective amal, and it is given by Hazrat Muhammad Muhtasham Sahab Damat Barakatuh Alaliya. And if you keep sending some amal and zikr to him, keep sending some sawab of these amal or zikr, you will get more results, you will get more barakah of this zikr. Keep doing this zikr and amal and keep sending sawab to a whole ummah. Inshallah ta'ala, all problems will be solved, issues will be solved, duas will be accepted, miracles will happen, and impossible will become possible. May Allah bless us, accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.